I'm going to go over this water bottle holder for e-bike or pretty much any type of bicycle that has the frame mount right here. And here's the actual little bag it came in. It has a wrench with it and some screws. So it's got some standard screws and a little Allen key, but I didn't need those because I have the 𝗨𝗶𝘃𝗃𝗏 here, and this is a great little e-bike. If you're looking for an e-bike, I recommend this. And let me just show you how this screws in right here. You can see you got these screws. So this had the screws already in it, so I didn't need to use their screws. This is metal, by the way. Look at that, everybody. Y'all hear that? And I love the side mount. So it goes in the side mount like that. So if you hit a bump or something, my other water bottle was straight up. So if I kind of lifted and did a little bump, sometimes my bottle would come out. If you want to make it a little tighter, you push down on it. So you can either push it in one-handed from the side like that, and then take it straight out, or go straight down like that. It has a stopper that stops it right there, and this right here pushes on it. I'm using the Camelback Podium water bottle. This is an insulated bottle. This is my favorite water bottle for these types of mount. I usually will get a drink and then I'll fill this up, and then it stays cool about all day, especially if you put ice in it. You can just drop it down in there like that. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I've been riding around with it for the past maybe week, and it's been working out perfect for me. Has the Corki logo on the top right there. Now it comes in a wide variety of colors. I got mine in just a normal kind of matte black right here, and it looks great. I don't see it. It looks very premium look for what it costs. It actually is very affordable for what you get. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the Corki water bottle. See you all in the next video.